Hi, my name is Magda and welcome to another urban garden update. I came back to London in early September after being away for a few weeks and not seeing my garden throughout the summer months. While I was away, my friends took care of the plants and I'm grateful for their help as I wouldn't have been able to go away otherwise. Apart from some pots being overrun by weeds, the garden looked lush, summery and happy. There were plenty of wild berries ready for kids to eat, and the tomatoes were plentiful. When I planted the tomatoes, I didn't realize I planted cherry tomatoes and certainly didn't expect so many of them. Due to the lack of the sunny weather, the tomatoes aren't as sweet, but they still mine and grow in my balcony garden. I'm especially happy about the flowers this year since I aim to attract more bees, which I have managed to do so. I tidied up the garden a little bit, pulled the weeds, and was surprised to find one garlic plant growing. Since I shot this footage, snails attacked my wild strawberry plant, so I had to remove a lot of the leaves. The wild strawberry plant has been in my garden since I started, so it's very precious to me. And together, we have been fighting the snails for a long time. Thank you so much for watching this short update. Don't forget to check my other videos, especially the new Another Way series. Until next time!